Alright, so this is part 3 of the video. Yep. Brush housing been washed, hood been washed. Everything been cleaned, transmission been cleaned, greased, brush roll, same, cleaned, greased as well. Now I'm not going to vacuum with this because I already, cleaned it up. I don't want to get dirty, but what I'm going to do is test run. Now I put a bag in last week, and I'm not gonna worry about this door panel being dirty. I'm not gonna worry about all that because I already did. Now if I didn't change the bag, I would actually wash the door panel as well, wipe the sheet out. But matter of fact, Saturday I'm gonna show you the rug I actually I have in the garage. Well, not a rug, carpet. And I actually have 2 more, a big rug and the carpet that I picked up. Let's see, February, I believe. So yeah, February. So yeah, you're gonna see me vacuum the carpet. You're gonna see that over the weekend. Anyway, other than that, I'm giving a test run, so that way you can hear the transmission. And I will also test out the suction. Here we go. Okay, so here's the thing. I smell something burning. Not this. Oh, I smell something. I do smell something burning. That's not a good thing. Smell it burning. I'm like, okay, the motor sounds good. The motor sounds good. That's good. The motor sounds good, but I smell it burning. Girl, I'm gonna go get me a fill up sale. I'm gonna find out. Oh, I almost fell over the back. Give me this. Okay, now I can smell it. See what? Let's check this out. Brush roll's okay. Transmission is good. Let me check to find out. Let's get hot and I can smell it a bit. Find out why is it. I can smell it. It's okay. I see what's going on. See what happened. Ah ha ha. Flat belt slipped. Came off. Ah shit. total hot. So that belt just popped off the vacuum. I can smell it. Okay. Hot. See, it's hot. See, it's hot. It slipped. That's what I felt. I felt that. That's what I felt. Ah, shit. So I'm gonna go. I wish I fucking had something in there to clean that shit off. So if I had an air compressor, I would blew this shit off and take it from there. Motor shaft. No, to the self-propelled. See, that's what happens. It gets wet, and it's gonna pop right off the machine. On the end of the shaft, go like that. So yeah. Okay, yeah, it's a kind of rub the belt, just dry it up a bit since it's hot.